How to get started with Voyant. First of all, you need text that you want to analyze. In my case, I got the inaugural speeches of the US presidents from Washington up to Obama in text format, TXT, and I put all of them in one folder. Now what we need to do is go to our Voyant server and open it. And now wait for it to open a new tab in our browser. Now here you can add your text, or you can open a pre-existing corpus. There are Shakespeare's plays and Austen's novels available. You can also paste in URLs or just paste in a text if you want to, but we are going to upload our own corpus. Here it's already open, and then we select the texts and click open. This is the default view you get after opening a text or a corpus in Voyant. It might be a little bit much at first glance, so let's start at the top. Here you have a few options. This one is language interface options. You can change the language. Usually it detects it automatically, but if it did it wrong, or if you have a specific language you want to use, you can change that here. You have the home button. If you want to start over, you click here. There's an export button where you can export HTML code or bibliographical reference. And this one here is the tool option where you can choose to view different tools. And all the way over here, you have the question mark, which gives you information about the tool. And these buttons repeat in every window. So here you have the export button, the tool button, and an options button. And here you can click on it to get an explanation of what the current tool does. The default view is always on the top left, the Cirrus, which gives you a word cloud. And the top middle you have the reader that shows you your entire corpus. On the top right you have the trends window, which by default has the most frequent words in the corpus and shows how they are distributed across the corpus. On the bottom left you have the summary window, which gives you a summary of the documents you imported into Voyant. And on the bottom right you have the context window, which gives you a term and then the 5 previous words and the 5 words that come after it. In the top left window you have the option to choose between Cirrus, terms, and links. So once you click on it, it switches to the next tool. If you want to use a completely different tool, you can click on the Tools button and then select another tool you want, and that will replace the current tool you were using. You can do the same in all the other windows. You just click on the tool you want, or you go to the Tool button and then select whichever tool you would like to see there. And that's the basic intro to Voyant.